Hello, let us see how to generate a random number in Python. So for that we have to import random module. So import random. Okay. The simplest option is if you will just try to print of random dot random. Random is a method in random module, and when you try to run this, you can see a random number has been generated. Okay, now if you want to generate this is a float, right? In case if you want to generate a integer number, random dot rand int of. Okay, now you can see when we typed rand int, it gives the um, description of the method as well. So we have to give the limits, like for let us assume we want to generate from 0 to 5000. You can see here the integer number has been generated. There's one more method which can be used, print of random dot rand range of. So this is a range again. Let us assume we give 0 to 5000. Okay, and then when we run this, you can see another integer has been generated. Now we can also generate a random number from a given list. For example, let us assume we have a list, okay, of numbers. Here we are taking only a small list, but in reality there could be huge list of elements, and you want to generate a specific number from it. So in that case, again print of now random module dot. When we type dot, you can see all the supported functions appear here. So we have a function called choice. Okay, you can see choice, and sequence is mentioned. So the sequence here is nothing but list in Python. So one of the sequences is list. So we have a list here, and let us try to run this. You can see a random number out of this list has been generated. Now if you run this, another number will be generated. Okay, so this is how random number from a given list of elements can be generated in Python. Okay, now this choice function generated the a random number from a given list. Like example, let us assume we have a list of 1000 elements, and we want to restrict only to the first 500 elements to generate a number. So in that case, print of random dot. Okay, we can see the list of functions, so we can use sample. So you see here sample, it says population. Okay, and then the count. Okay, population is from the list, count is, let's assume we want to generate only from the first three elements of the list. Now you can see here it generated three elements of a list. Okay, so random list is considered, and a sample list has been generated. Now again, if you see here, a sample list has been generated. So this is how the methods in a random module can be used to generate the random numbers as per our requirement.